What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, and today we're gonna be watching some more idiots behind the wheel. This is episode number 97, and also please smack that like button like you're at the Oscars award ceremony. So with that being said, let's dive into this. Alrighty, who would like some donuts? This is how you call the police without actually calling them. Oh, that turbo sound is so satisfying. Ooh, did you hear that? That's so good. That's the sound of my people. Oh! Goddamn man, I wanted to say... I almost wanted to say he's doing so good, but nope. Forget that, moving on. Now, time to deploy some speed! Whoa! Oh, that didn't go brilliantly. Oh! You messed up, bro. You messed up big time. I guess speed and power isn't for everybody. Oh, look at that truck. It looks kinda cool. No! Oh man, that was a stupid mistake. Or should I call it a lazy mistake, because he should have just properly secured everything and now everything would be good. But anyways, moving on to some fishtailing, and I don't like fish. Hold it, bruh, hold it! Oh man, that went much better than I thought. And that's a good thing, so moving on. Uh-oh, ambulance is coming through. This should be simple enough. Just get the hell out of the way. But obviously some people are finding that really hard, so let's see. Oh, for God's sake, man. I don't really want to say anything about this. Let's move on. This is ridiculous. Oh look, you rather see me in a pen than me a Lorenzo rolling in a benzo. That guy's a little bit confused. What the hell are you doing, boy? No, no, no. Oh, that's a pole position. And a half. Oh, careful, careful. Seems like these guys are competing who is more stupid, and whack! There we go, you got pit maneuvered, son. You play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Oh, he actually rolled over as well. It's well deserved, to be honest. And now, guys, our competitor is getting ready, so we need to be quiet. And here he comes. May the electric power propels you! Power! Oh, God damn, son! That was the GOAT power moment ever. Like, nobody's getting even close. And some of you may ask why I'm laughing. I'm laughing because he knew what was coming, he did it on purpose, so there's that. Whoa, careful, guy! And yeah, by the way, guys, just to let you know something real quick. For some weird reason, the comment section is broken for a very long time, so just to let you know, if I don't reply sometimes to you, it's not because I'm ignoring you, it's because I didn't get to see the comments, so I'm sure you guys will understand that. So, with that out of the way, let's get back to the video. Oh, dang it, blasted, it's getting on loose goose in the back. Whoa, hold it, bro, hold it. Oh, that was a full 360, nice. No scope. Moving on. Oh, this could be tricky. He's going downhill on an icy road. There we go, the Tokyo Drift kicked in. Hold it, you got it, man. Hold it. Oh, it's close. And yeah, he did it. Nice. That was a definition of perfect counter steering, so great job, my dude. On to the next one. Oh, that's a no-no truck. No! Stop! Whew, that was close. If he really needed to go right, he could have just stopped and let everybody go and then proceed with his stunt. But nope, he decided to go right away. Oh, come on, guys. Will someone stop, for God's sake? It's an ambulance. Stop! Oh my God, look at this. It's getting ridiculous, and there's more. Are you finally done? But yeah, nah, just take your time. It's only someone's life at risk. No biggie, so take your time. Freaking finally. That was unbelievable scenes right there. But let's see here. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ooh. You asked for it, so there's that. Usually this is where we see a guy on the phone. Oh, this is why you clean the snow off of your car. And you stupid! Congratulations, you played yourself. Oh, hello. Hold it. Oh, come on, that was almost perfect. That was almost perfect. It's a shame, really. I don't know what happened there, but he almost turned it into a win. Whoa, what is going on? Whoa, oh! Dear me, that was a biggie. But it's a BMW, so no big surprise there. Oh, the bus driver is like, you're a bit hot, mate, I'm gonna help you with that. But the other guy is not gonna let that slide, and whack! But he failed because the bus driver has a shield and he counterattacks him. Is he gonna recover from that? Oh yes, he's BAM! But again, the bus driver is defending perfectly because his shield is working. And because the other guy didn't think this through. Are they done finally? The bus driver may be out of ammo. Let's see. Now maybe it's the... Oh no, he's not. He attacks again. Oh, that's a clear win for the bus driver. And everything that was in that fire extinguisher is now in that guy's mouth. That sounded wrong, but we're gonna move on anyways. Whoa! Damn! I can't even joke about this one. That's how bad it is. What was that guy thinking, man? That was so stupid. Whoa, what is this fool doing? Hey, yo, where are you going, bruh? Did he re-ran that white one? I think he did. And he's running away in reverse. That's strange, but it could work for him. Who knows? Oh, look, a checkered flag crosswalk. I've never seen that one before. That's a first for me. Whoa, truck. Maybe, just maybe he couldn't stop in time, but I doubt that because it was a green light. I mean, it was a red light for him for a long time, so... Whoa, what is this? Damn, boy. Is this Mario Kart? Some new traps or... I don't know, but whatever it is, it landed perfectly, so thumbs up for me, 10 out of 10. Let's see here. That guy's charging forwards on the wrong side of the road and he's in the mud. Oh, this is actually going very well for him. I actually thought he was gonna crash immediately, but I was wrong. And he's still not crashing. He didn't even lose control. Damn, man. That guy is very good at driving or very bad at driving. You'll be the judge for that one. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and also whack that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. And last but not least, leave a comment as well, because I always enjoy reading them. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.